Hello guys, it's me, my Melody. Hi! Today we are going to unbox babysitter. Huh? उसका fan भी बोलते हैं. This is called tram. We will unbox this.
You can also call it.
We want to show you the baby. Turn there.
Hello. So the pram is for whom? For this baby. The baby name is Viraj.
Yes, I am Maddie.
You are ready. I'm saying ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? So let's start the unboxing of the pram. Are you ready, Viraj?
First,
So these are the wheels.
Wheels.
Give me that. Give me that.
Two wheels हैं एक साथ.
One is this.
एक और है ये two
Second one is
wheels का.
this. Now you have to pull out this the hole.
Okay.
Will you be able to?
Yes. I
You will need some help.
I need some help.
Yeah. I have to come.
I have to go to help.
Oh, it's very heavy.
Wow.
Ah,
So huge.
Unbox. I will make a craft in this.
Second is having 4 wheels.
Yes.
Not 2. 2 on the front, 2 on the back side.
Yes.
So total there are 4
I will do.
wheels.
No, I will do.
Will do?
Yes.
Okay. What do you want to do? First you need to. So now pull this out. Okay.
See, this is a hanger.
This is the basic position. Now just you have to stretch it here. Stretch it. This way. One more wheel. There are 5
It
wheels.
must be one extra.
It may be.
Might be.
So this comes like this.
What is this?
There must be a manual.
Bag.
The thing is down.
It must be, this is attachment of that pram actually.
नहीं मम्मा नहीं.
Yes.
This is the holding. I think this is for the holding.
No, there is not.
I think.
Mom,
this-
there is
This
in
is
the
for the cover.
bag.
This is for
Yeah.
the cover actually.
पर इसके पीछे है मम्मा एक. Here.
बेटा कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा तो नहीं दिया होगा सब
Yes.
कुछ
देखो.
नहीं कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं है
There is a bowl. Pretty. I will take it. To give my
You
stationery.
always look forward now.
To
Really
give
nice,
my
yeah.
stationery.
Yeah.
And this I will take.
बहुत अच्छा. बहुत बढ़िया है.
We will put now this wheelers. Mom, we.
Yeah.
This is
This will cover the baby face for the dust
No,
and the-
from the mosquitoes.
and from the mosquito.
From mosquitoes and dust both now.
So we'll have to fix these wheels.
See him. See him.
Yeah.
See him.
I can see him right
He
now.
is like that.
Because
He is
you have
also
to
very
put the
happy.
wheel. It is very easy. Just
How
put it.
to put? How to put?
This will come on the front side. This will come on the front side. Just like I have done.
Oh, it is easy.
Yeah.
Put it down.
This is mine.
It is ready from the front side. Now we will put this on the back side.
This is mine.
See.
तो क्या हो गया? This must be attaching somewhere. दो व्हील्स से पीछे आएंगे उसमें.
व्हील्स पीछे आएंगे बट व्हील्स को अटैच करने के लिए कुछ चाहिए ना. मेरे
This-
ख्याल से सबसे पहले
अरे तो आ जाएगा पिकू. करना सीखोगी तो आ जाएगा.
फ्रंट साइड में आएगा.
Keep trying.
This way.
Is there any manual? No manual. Nothing.
देखो मैंने कैसे किया, ऐसे रोक लगा रखा है उसको, रेड वाले से रोक लगता है।
रुको रुको।
This is mine.
Hey, hey.
Yeah, do it right now.
This is mine. Yo.
You need to hold this one.
This is
Abhi, hold it.
mine.
Please come here. Just hold it like this. Piku. Yeah. Now lock it. Yeah.
Listen, we have to put food in this
So the wheels
so
are
we
ready?
can put there. This is the we can put here.
This is for
We have to
legs.
stop this one also.
I think this
We
is
have to
for
fix
legs.
This one also.
If he
Legs or tray?
if he do poop, so we can clean
For
here.
poop. Oh my
We
god.
can clean.
I don't
we
think
can
so.
just
I think
open-
वो ऊपर से जो है, this is for the footrest.
Yes, this is for the food.
This must be
No, Mama,
footrest.
अगर हम लोग को अगर 40 कर दी तो उसके हम लोग उसकी वो रख सकते हैं.
Really? How come? वो
Yes,
उस पे
we
होल्ड
can.
होगा ही नहीं पीकू.
Mama, but we can.
Yeah, you can be innovative.
One minute, अब हम लोग इनकी
ये नीचे से जाना लॉक होएगा, देखो नीचे.
Piku, look at the box.
There is nothing in the box. It's empty. There is lock in down there, na? There are two locks. To keep it stable, these two red color locks are there.
We have to try it now.
No, we
Maybe
can't.
because
First
it's
you
evolving.
complete it. Lock it, Pico. Lock it down, na? That red color.
Oh, I see.
Oh.
That. Yes. Give me, Mom. When we will go outing, we will put baby in this, and then we will put baby in this, then like this, and then the seat belt, and it.
Yeah, with the seat belt, you can secure the baby.
Okay.
And
And we do like this.
this much is only available, I think.
क्या कर रहे हो पापा? आई.
जब मैं इसको हिला रहा हूँ आपको साइड आना चाहिए ना पिकू.
Oh really, Pico? Come on. What you were doing? हाँ.
ये भी शायद इसमें उठ के आएगा यहाँ से यहाँ तक.
See some other locks.
एक ही लोग था मेरे ख्याल से.
फिर ये किस काम में है?
कौन सा?
ये जो स्ट्रेट
ये
साइड वाला जहाँ पर
ये तो
ये
यहाँ पे आएगा.
वायर दी हुई है.
ये ऐसे आ जाएगी यहाँ पे ऐसे करके
हाँ.
आपका.
So hard.
What do you got?
ये है ना यहाँ पे.
Another one pocket. अच्छी.
अच्छा ये भी है.
पापा इधर हम लोग डाइपर्स वगैरह रख सकते हैं.
हाँ.
ओह मम्मा इधर भी है. अरे क्या है ये? What is this?
Pocket
Net?
only. This must be
No,
a pocket.
Mama, not pocket. This is a net.
This is net. Maybe it's a vent.
Oh, दूध bottle.
No. Maybe a vent for the air circulation, na?
Oh,
Which
yes.
one? This one.
Yes.
Ah. This is a vent. So that baby can get air from here also.
He should not feel suffocated, na? Remaining we will discover when we will use it.
काफी अच्छा है ना.
Yes,
Yeah,
we
it's
will
very-
use it right now. 1 minute. Okay? So
Wow.
baby will sit in there.
Carry
Now,
it.
1 minute.
Now.
Baby, come here.
Oh my god, baby! Baby, can you run and go there? No, Mama, I am very
What do you do?
small right now. I can't go like this. Didi don't
Papa,
know.
मैं क्या
I am
करूं?
very small.
ये ऐसे होता है.
Now, Papa.
टेस्ट करने के लिए.
ये
ना?
नहीं हट रहा, आपको लगेगा वरना.
Baby can't run right now.
और ये लगेगी बेबी को यहाँ पे बेल्ट.
Oh, seat belt. No, you don't do this. No, Papa is going to do it now.
ये देखो आगे सामने.
No, keep it there only, Piku. Keep it there.
जो भी उसको बैठानी है. अभी अपने सिर्फ उससे
हाँ.
इंजेक्शन करनी है. बैठाना है.
First be secure.
Okay, I
Confirm
will
the
sit.
security. And then only I'll give you the baby.
आपको नहीं बैठना पीकू उसके अंदर.
Piku,
नहीं
no.
बैटरी में अपना हाथ चेक कर रही हूँ.
ड्रामे
नहीं
बाज.
मम्मा ठीक है ठीक है
अच्छा, thank you,
मेरा
thank
एकदम
you.
भरी
बच्चे की
है।
पोजीशन
Baby's pram is ready. Yay! Oh.
Daddy is touching. Daddy is touching. He can see all the his mirror. His mirror is this.
No, we don't need
Yes, his mirror is this.
it. No. अच्छा उसका टॉय है. Okay.
See, first मैं इसका कवर निकाल रही हूँ.
Bash.
देखो मैं इसका कवर निकाल के कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. मम्मा देखो
हाँ. Ah.
देखो अब दिख रहा है. वो पहले कवर निकालने होते हैं.
अच्छा.
बड़ा दिखता नहीं है नीचे. Let's see his mirror. New mirror.
New mirror.
इसमें
Okay.
कैसे दिख रही है? I will keep this mirror in the pocket.
But he's not a princess.
No, but he can see also.
What are you gonna see?
Somewhere. His.
I don't need to do makeup.
And also.
I think you are keeping all this stuff for yourself, Pico.
No.
Yeah.
And also some tissues for
My God.
him potty.
Yeah. To clean the potty. That's very nice. Good.
Tissue. And one diaper.
One diaper.
Is
Okay.
important.
Oh, it's very important. You see, it's really important. Diaper.
No, I'm taking only one.
Only one. Yeah. And one is there, lying there. Take that one. In that corner, no?
This?
Yeah.
Oh. This is good, pretty enough. What is this?
Must be something which is required. We will discover what is it actually.
ये ventilation की. मम्मा ये बेबी का वो है. अगर बेबी कुछ चीज रखनी है ना.
टेढ़ा हो रहा है बेचारा. देखो हटा
Oh,
देखो.
बहुत. स्माइल. पीकू इधर देख के स्माइल कर लो.
चड्डी मैन चड्डी पहन के आता है. चड्डी पहन रखे. बाबा आपने इसके नीचे कुछ भी नहीं बना रखा है. मम्मा किंजारा किंजारा
लॉक पीछे की साइड होना चाहिए ना.
वाओ.
समझ गए?
यहाँ पर ये मम्मा
जी नहीं खिसकेगा. ये बेबी अब लेट के ही तो मूव कर सकता है अभी तो. देखा इंजीनियर साहब, इसीलिए तो मैं आपसे इम्प्रेस हूँ. कई बार जानो सिंपल भी बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता है ना.
मम्मा देखो मेरे कपड़े पकड़ लेता है हर बार. देखा आपने मम्मा मेरे कपड़े पकड़ लेता है.
He's going out for the picnic.
यो
सोएगा.
Okay, baby.
मम्मा ये आज इधर सोएगा.
क्या कहाँ? नहीं बेटा.